my name is Lisa Morris. This is my video for wrapping and autoclaving a surgical kit. Okay, so I've got all my instruments here. We've got a small cast straight. So we've got all our instruments. We've got our fenestrated drape, which goes on top there. We've got some swabs and some suture needles. Put that in there. We've got our indicator strip. So when it's properly sterilised, the line there will go black. Pop that in there, so we've got everything ready. I'm going to wrap it. So on this side, we need to concertina the ends. So when the pack is opened, you don't touch the inside layer. And then we do the exact same on the other side. Okay, pull it tight. Tight as you can, and then on the sides this is folded at least twice so no air can get in, and fold that over, fold this side exactly the same, and then pull that as tight as you can as well. And then pop the tape on the top there so it's secure. The last layer, we've got a hand towel, pop that in there. So we fold the concertina like we did before. Pull that tight. So at least twice. Okay, so we need to use special tape here. We've got steam indicator tape. So when this is properly sterilised, the lines on this tape will go black. Okay, so we write what it is. So we've got small, cast straight. We write the date and initials. And that's ready to sterilise the pack. This is the autoclave. You can pop it in here. Ensure you don't stack things on top of each other. That's locked. Now we select our program, universal program. We pick this cycle because it's wrapped multiple layers and it's a non-textile. Start. Done.